Hi, it's Coach Eichel again, bringing you another installment of everything that is the mole. The last few days we talked about how to figure out the molar mass and how you had to add up the subscripts to get the overall molar mass. Well, today we're going to talk about how you get from grams to moles and from moles to grams of any given different substance, of compounds, of molecules, and even of elements. So let's start with the following question. Let's say I want to know how many moles are in 15 grams of lithium. Okay? Well, 15 grams of lithium. Well, first of all, lithium weighs 16. Make sure I get it right here. Not 16. Well, let's first start off with lithium. We know lithium is 6.941 grams per mole. Okay? So now here's where our quantitative analysis comes in. Quantitative analysis is just a fancy word for a one-to-one exchange. So if we want to figure out moles in 15 grams, okay, we know that we have 6.941 grams per mole in 1 mole of lithium. So if we have 15 grams, what are we going to do to get this grams up here to cancel out? We're going to put 15 on the bottom, 15 grams of lithium. Lithium is equal to 1 mole. So we're going to cancel out our grams. We have moles left over. You do 6.941 divided by 15 grams. That's going to give you 0.46 moles. Okay, so let's move on to number 2 on that problem. We want to know how many grams are in 2.4 moles of sulfur. Okay, how many grams are in 2.4 moles of sulfur? Okay, well, we're looking for grams. We're given moles, so let's start there. Okay, we got 2.4 moles of sulfur. Okay, well, we know that 1 mole of sulfur weighs 32.066 grams. So we cross out our moles, we have grams left, we multiply 2.4 by 32.066. So now let's step up to something just a little bit more difficult, okay? On your next sheet, the one you're going to be doing tomorrow. So let's start with 30 grams of H3PO4, or phosphoric acid, okay? So we know that H is 1, you're going to multiply it by 3, plus phosphate, which is, or phosphorus, sorry, which is equivalent to 30.974 grams per mole, plus oxygen, each of them weighs 16, and we have 4 of them, okay? This total substance is going to weigh 98 grams. Okay? So, once we know we have 98 grams, it's really easy to do. We're going to start with 30 grams. We know that we are looking for the amount of moles, so we're going to put moles on the top because we got to cancel out grams. So 1 mole of H3PO4 is equal to 98 grams. So we cancel out our grams. You divide 30 by 98, and you should get 0.31 moles. This is the rounded off form of that. Make sense? Great. So now let's take something where we go from moles and we go backwards. So let's look at, if I give you 6.6 moles of zinc oxide. Okay? Well, we know that each thing of zinc is going to be 65.38 plus 16. So we're going to add those two together, and it's going to equal 81.38. Okay? So it's going to equal 81.38. Well, now that we have 6.6 moles, and we know that 1 mole weighs 81.38, it's really easy. So let's set it up dimensional analysis-wise, but if you can just multiply them in your head, that's okay too. So 6.6 moles of zinc oxide. Well, we know that 1 mole of zinc oxide weighs 81.58 grams. Cancel out your moles. You've got it to grams. You multiply 6.6 times 81.58, and you get a grand total of a whole lot of grams, which is 537.2 grams. So that's some basic dimensional analysis problems. And I hope you understand how the mole and the grams and all this is related, that a mole is just another number that you measure things, okay? But since we know the molar mass of everything that we can find due to the periodic table, we should know how to figure out how to get moles to grams and grams to moles. Until next time, this has been Coach Heupel. You have a great day.